Hi loves, I'm back again with another video. Please make sure to like, leave a comment, or subscribe. And we're doing a protective style for the natural hair girlies who want to protect their leave out. I'm using kinky straight clip-ins that are 24 inches from the Ella Experience. And I'm also using a crochet hook, and that's pretty much all you need for the basic tools. And I go in with the crochet hook. I grab a little bit of hair. Obviously, I've installed my clip-ins all the way up to the ends of my braids where my part is. And I just grab a little bit of hair and I pull that through using the crochet hook. And, once I get it right, I pull it on through. It's a little tangly because I curled this hair the day before. Then I'm going to show you again. I close the loop. And then I pull the hair through. Very simple. And I basically kept doing that to cover up the wefts because we don't want the track showing, obviously. That's what we're trying to avoid. We want the most natural part possible. I also go over it with a boar bristle brush just to further make everything look natural. And I also add a wax stick and going with my wand curler because it's hot and that's gonna help flatten everything. And once it's as flat as I like, this took a little while. But once it's as flat as I like, this should be your final result. Yes, it looks like a bust down that is completely on my hair. You can't tell me this isn't on mine. And now we're gonna get into the wand curling. I like to call this mermaid hair, okay? It is so pretty. I got compliments all night when I went to this concert, and I got compliments online. So of course I had to show you how to get this hairstyle. And I just wrap around the wand curler and I leave it on for 15-20 seconds. It's not my hair, so I don't really care, to be honest. And then I hold it and let it cool. And then I move on to the rest of the sections. And this part is pretty straightforward. I keep on curling. By the way, I'm spritzing with anti-humidity spray and firm holding spray. I will link both of those in the description. By the way, if you ever need something that I used, always check the description. It is in there. I promise. I'll never leave y'all hanging. Or you could just ask me. That's cool too. And then I slide it out, and I'm gonna show y'all a few more. And now time for my favorite part where we shake everything out. I do not go through the curls with my fingers because I'm not trying to cause too much frizz or any tangling. So I just shake them, and that helps separate them, give some more volume, make them look more natural. And then I curl the front. I don't know why I curled it this way because I didn't even like it. At the end, I had to re-curl it. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. Sometimes we curl the wrong way and then we realize that we would have preferred it curled another way. And here I go shaking some more pieces. The look is coming together. I'm getting excited. Like, yes, my vision is coming together. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. Absolutely gorgeous, long and beautiful. I present to you mermaid hair. Ariel, this might be Ariel. I don't know. This might be the Little Mermaid. Y'all tell me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope to see you next time. Please like, leave a comment, or subscribe. Bye.